I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my everyday summer makeup. This is going to be like my summer foundation routine, like a really easy makeup for summer. Now to start with, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with this Makeup Forever primer.
Where you are.
Then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to use this Milani Total Coverage Foundation. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this Elegant Concealer to highlight my face. So I'm not going to bake my face. This is the type of makeup I normally wear when I'm going out, and when I'm going out I don't bake my face at all. So I'm going to go ahead and use this MAC Studio Water Weight Powder to set under my eyes. Then I'm going to use this MAC Powder Blush to contour my face. I'm going to line my eyes with this MAC eyeliner. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. I'm going to use this mascara by MAC Cosmetics. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this MAC lip liner. For my lips, I'm going to use this Clarins Instant Natural Lip Perfector. So to glow my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this Bobbi Brown highlighting powder. I'm going to use a little bit because my face is already glowing without any highlighter. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Setting Spray to set everything in. So guys, this is how I do my everyday summer makeup, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.